Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by inventorying the content you need the chatbot to use and why each source matters. Next, pick an embedding model. You want good semantic fidelity without huge cost, so test latency and accuracy quickly. Then provision a vector database and configure indexing, sharding, and retention policies so retrieval stays fast at scale. Once done, ingest a small sample set, generate embeddings, and verify similarity queries. Return sensible results before moving to orchestration. You now build the core pipeline where retrieval meets generation. Start with chunking heuristics for your documents, then embed chunks and tune your retriever using a dense plus lexical hybrid to catch edge cases. Once retrieval returns candidates, re-rank and assemble context respecting token budgets and craft prompt templates that include attribution fields. Also implement caching for repeated queries and async batching to improve throughput. Make sure monitoring captures relevance and latency so you can iterate fast. You finish by deploying endpoints with auto-scaling, authentication, and structured logging so you can observe behavior in production. Run end-to-end tests that exercise hallucination mitigation, freshness of retrieved docs, and safety filters. Once live, monitor metrics and set alerts for relevance drops and latency spikes. If issues arise, check embedding drift, vector database consistency, and whether prompts exceed token budgets. Fixing those usually resolves the majority of failures quickly, so iterate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.